Welcome, Kutty Kids TV!
Capital letter A, small letter A for ant. Capital letter B, small letter B for bear. Capital letter C, small letter C for cat. Capital letter D, small letter D for dog. Capital letter E, small letter E for elephant. Capital letter F, small letter F for fox. Capital letter G, small letter G for goat. Capital letter H, small letter H for horse. Capital letter I, small letter I for iguana. Capital letter J, small letter J for jaguar. Capital letter K, small letter K for kangaroo. Capital letter L, small letter L for lion. Capital letter M, small letter M for monkey. Capital letter N, small letter N for newt. Capital letter O, small letter O for octopus. Capital letter P, small letter P for panda. Capital letter Q, small letter Q for quokka. Capital letter R, small letter R for rabbit. Capital letter S, small letter S for snake. Capital letter T, small letter T for tiger. Capital letter U, small letter U for unicorn. Capital letter V, small letter V for vicua. Capital letter W, small letter W for wolf. Capital letter X, small letter X for xylophone. Capital letter Y, small letter Y for yak. Capital letter Z, small letter Z for zebra.